Okay, today we're going to look at voice leading. So first off, we are going to start by choosing our chords, our chord names. So we're going to go with a C major, an E minor, and a G major. Now these are our chord names, so we're just going to leave those with a little line so we can see what we're doing. Now what we want to do is put in our root, our third, and our fifth of each of these chords. And then we'll move on to the E minor. So then we have an E, a G, and a B, and a G, B, and a D. Now we're trying to find the easiest way to reorganize these chords. So one of the easiest way to start is to look and see, do we have any letters that are the same within each chord, which we do. We have a G in each one. So I'm going to go ahead and do a weird kind of square around each one of these and then join them up so we can see where our new pathway is going to be. This will all make sense, I promise. And then we're going to have another look, maybe a different colour, and we've got an E here. We also have an E in the second chord, so that's going to join up nicely. Now the kind of challenge comes in, do we join our E to our D or do we join it to our B? So our E will join up nicely to the D as it's the next letter along, rather than the B. That would be too much of a jump. And then when we go ahead and look at what we've got left, we have a C, a B, and a B, which link up really well. So now we have really smooth lines. So that's the first step. Once we've done this, we then kind of need to reorganize our chords so we can see the new paths. And so our three voices perhaps, or three instruments, perhaps string instruments, this normally works for that. And so we've got our voice 1, our voice 2, and our voice 3. And what we're going to do is reorganize our chords so that our pathways are now nice and straight and smooth. So we're going to start off with our G, which is the blue line at the top, and then another G, and our final G. So our voice 1 is just going to sing a G all the way through, which is really great. Then we've got an E, and a D, which is only one slight movement towards the end, which again, nice and smooth. And our last line is our C, our B, and our B. Now, as we can see looking at that, once we put just for a visual representation, we can see how smooth our lines are in comparison to the more squiggly line that is on the other piece of paper. And that is the sort of basic principle of how you do voice leading.